This cup has only 7 grams of sugar, so you can enjoy it every day without worrying about gaining weight. Start with 70% dark chocolate. Chop 46 grams into small pieces and place them in a bowl. Set the bowl over a container of hot water and stir until the chocolate is completely melted. Keep the bowl over the hot water to stay warm. Heat over medium heat. In a saucepan, add 200 grams of whole milk or semi-skimmed milk. Then add 24 grams of water. Yes, water. Next, add 7 grams of brown sugar and stir gently. When it starts to slightly simmer, turn the heat to low and add the melted dark chocolate. Keep stirring. Once you see a few small bubbles again, turn off the heat. Stir off the heat until the chocolate is fully blended and smooth. And that's it. Your hot chocolate is ready. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Bay's Kitchen. See you next time.